Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Hope all you crafty kitties are doing well. I would like to do a VR for Cornflower Crafts today. She is here on YouTube. Her and her hubby, Handsome, are a delight to listen to. They are just precious, and Corn is just a beautiful paper crafter and a beautiful person that you can tell just by her voice and the things that she says. So be sure and check out her channel so that you could see the details of the giveaway. She does craft with me sessions, hauls, project shares, friend mail, things like that, and she's an amazing crafter who loves mainly, I think, shabby chic and vintage. So love that. And she's giving away 2 beautiful tag flips that she made, and I believe one of them is a shabby chic, which is kind of like with the pastel colors, and I love, that's my favorite. And then the other one is just as stunning. And it's more of a traditional style. Go to her channel. I will link it in the information box below, so it'll be easy for you. If you'd like to let her know that I sent you her way, I think she would like that. A VR is one of the requirements, and so here it is. And I'm gonna go back to her giveaway video so that I can comment on it, that I've done the VR, and I have to write down what I am thankful for in 2020. So again, thank you, Corn, for the generous giveaway. I love it that you made these yourself, and I hope I win. No, I'm so thankful. I know that you're very generous, and you're always doing giveaways and things like that, and you just bless everyone with your cheerful and loving countenance and your beautiful crafting. So enjoy the holidays, hugs, and y'all be sure and check her out. Love you so much. Love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.